Hey guys, this is Monica Suri. Welcome back to my channel, and today we discuss about fashion illustration, some more interesting conversation and learn something new activities. So let's get started. Do you know its help in visualizing the ideas? Fashion illustration help a designer to put down his/her ideas practically. This in turn and help the visualizing the idea and concept and surrounding the design. The visual aids such as diagram and image carry message within them and become a communication medium for the designer. Illustration bring to light the important details that need more focus of attention. They form the foundation on which the entire planning and approach to the design of a particular garment or accessory are based upon. And its help in propelling new customers. Fashion illustration help to bring a new consumer who can become a potential buyer since they visually offer a new concept to the consumer. There is a lot of chance that the particular viewer and will be convinced to purchase a new styles. Illustration help to propel customers and increase sales. They make product marketing easier. Since illustration holds such a critical position in fashion designing, it is important of every inspiring fashion designer to learn fashion illustration. Every fashion design course in India or anywhere worldwide emphasizes on the enhancement of the illustration skill and start its designing classes with lesson on the subject. Do you know it's represent the creative skill of a fashion designer? Fashion designer need a place of express their unique thoughts and ideas. The illustration give them that platform where they can showcase their creativity. They also help and judge how the design of a particular designer stand out from the rest. Fashion illustration make the potential of a fashion designer get easily recognized. Guys, you have to know about that. Why is fashion illustration important for fashion designer? Fashion illustration from the initial phase of every design. It can be defined as the basic transmission of an ideas into a creative design through diagram and drawing. Fashion illustration is a visual way of explaining different design ideas. They have played a critical role in fashion designing since the evolution of clothes. In a simple words, you can say that illustration is an art by which fashion can be explained, demonstrated and communicated. Now that you know what fashion illustration is, you can most expectedly ask what it's important for a typical fashion designer as well. Hope you like this fashion illustration short information. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Then you can check it out my new blog and entertaining video. Thanks. Bye bye.